what else we need? Okay, so we use this function named crop image. Let's define it. I'll try to define it before load image. So as I said, this function is supposed to take the image, reshape it, sorry, crop it from at the center, and then simply return the cropped image. Okay, so I'll simply define crop image, and this will take image. Okay, I will simply do the do the changes to my image. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so I have an image. Now I'll simply do new. Guys, we need to first of all capture the shape of current image. Okay, to make sure the resizing is being done correctly. Okay, so there is someone being connected again and again. Danish Alam, I guess he. Okay, so I'll simply create a new variable calling new, let's say shape. Okay, or let's say let's just go for current shape, or this will also be current shape. Okay, because new shape will be created later. Okay, and I'll make it img dot shape. Okay, now the next thing is to like look for the next, like the original shape which we want. For example, let's say my image is of shape 1000 cross 600. Now I want a square out of it. So what I'll do is I'll crop the dimension which has 1000 pixels into 600. So it will basically become a 600 cross 600 image, right? So what I'll do is I'll simply go ahead and write the dimensions for it. Okay. So I'll write new, let's say shape is equal to minimum of, so whatever dimension is the minimum. If the shape at 0 is minimum, I'll take that. Okay. Current shape at 0, comma current shape at 1. So whatever is minimum, I'll take that because I want to crop my image. If you want, let me just do a very basic demonstration. Just a second. I'll connect my tab. I'll show you that what exactly I mean by this reshaping. Okay, here. Just a second. So I'm assuming that my image will look something like, let's say this. In some cases, let's say my image looks like this, and I want to crop it. So what I'll do is I'll take the minimum of the dimensions, and I'll simply crop my image like this. Okay. It wasn't supposed to be like that. It was supposed to touch there. Okay. So the height is basically the same as the previous image, but the width is adjusted to the height. Similarly, if my original image, let's say has this shape, okay, in that case, I'll simply crop my image to this shape, okay, like this. Again, not like this. Sorry, guys. Let me just better. I'll try to convert my image from the red frame to the blue frame. Okay, this is what I want. So that's why I'm basically capturing the minimum dimensions so that I can use it later, right? Let me remove it all and let's proceed. So what I'll do is I'll simply write new shape is equal to minimum of shape 0 or shape 1, and then I also need to set an offset. Okay, and how exactly I'm going to set an offset, because guys, the red, like the original image in the red frame which I showed you was, let's say, of dimension 1000 cross 600. Now I convert, or let's say now I take the new image shape as 600, but I have to place that 600 cross 600 square into that rectangle which we had earlier of 1000 cross 600, so that we get the optimum image. And I'm considering that the optimal way to crop the image will be cropping it at the center. So I'll simply write this offset. Okay, wait a second. Okay, offset at y is equal to let's say max of shape, whatever shape I have. Okay, you can also go for, like, previously I had shape of 0 like shape of 0 comma shape of 1 comma 0, but in this case I'll basically take the difference. Okay, so I'll go for shape of 0 comma shape of 1 comma 0 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 comma, 0. So in case if I get a sorry, this has to be minus. In case if I get a negative value between this has to be current shape, guys. Nobody is reminding me. Oh, sorry. You're on mute. Okay, so in case if I get a negative value, for example, the current shape at 0 is more than current shape as 1, in that case, I'll simply take 0. Okay, and then I'll simply specify the offset at x as well. I'll make an offset x, offset at x is equal to, let me just copy this whole thing and paste it here. And I'll simply make a very slight alteration. I'll make this 0 as 1, and I'll make this 1 as 0. And then we are done. And I'll simply make my image is equal to, let's just say img. Okay. Okay, I'll not create any other objects. I'll make my image is equal to ts dot image dot crop, and then I'll simply to bounding box, and here I'll simply pass my image and my offset. Okay, so first of all, I'll pass my offset x. Sorry about that. First of all, pass my offset y, and then I'll simply pass my offset x there, and then I'll simply proceed with the new shape there, and then I'll simply go ahead, and what else do I need? What else do I need? Nothing. Okay, so I have, okay, image, offset x, offset y, and okay, new shape. Fine, and I'll simply return img, or you can say, yeah, img is better there. Now this function will be used to crop my image.